Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to create your own barcode in Excel. So let's begin. So here open the Excel. So write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here I put a digit 1 2 4. So this is the command equal to, and then has bracket, and then and click this here, and then n and sign and colon, close bracket, and then hit the enter, and then copy. So select this, and here ID automation, you can see here ID automation. Yeah, so guys, if you have no ID automation font, so download this ID automation from this site. I will give link in the description box. You can see, guys, for download and install. I will give you this link.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel. This is my channel.
If you change this word, you can see, guys. Yeah, yes, you can put so guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.